Hello everyone, benvenuti a tutti a questo nuovo episodio di 4 verbi che non sono molto usati in italiano. 4 verbs that are not really that used in Italian. So let's start. Number 1, we have languire. Languire, to languish, to lust for something, okay? So languire. So, languire. Now, this is not so much used as a verb. It would be languisco. It would be languisco, so our usual isc verbs, but it's not as used as a verb. But something we could actually say is languido, okay? That in reference to sguardo. Sguardo, look, the look that somebody gives to somebody else, okay? So not just the physical appearance, but just the look of the face, okay? The facial expressions that somebody would make when they want something, but it's like, it's not forceful in any way in Italian, but that's more like, oh, I really wish I won that, you know? But especially in reference to romantic relationships and somebody else, okay? So, for instance, we could say, lui ti guarda con lo sguardo languido. Okay, con lo sguardo languido. I don't believe we use languido in any other context, to be fair and square. I think that primarily we use languido for that. Languire, not so much used. Number 2, svanire. So number 2 is svanire, and that's to fade away, to vanish, okay? You could say that in reference to so many different things. A stain, for instance, una macchia. La macchia è svanita. A better word, just because it's more colloquial, so it's not better in terms of your Italian, but it's better because it's much more used, would be sparire, okay? And svanire, sparire, you know, both of them are isc verbs. Io sparisco, tu sparisci, lui sparisce, noi spariamo, voi sparite, loro spariscono. Same goes for svanire. Io svanisco, tu svanisci, lui lei svanisce, noi svaniamo, voi svanite, loro svaniscono. Both of them and with regular endings in past participle. So io sono svanita. I don't think you could say that though by yourself, but okay. Io sono sparita, io sono svanita, otherwise lei è svanita, lei è sparita. One cool expression that we have with sparire is actually to sei sparito dalla circolazione, okay, from the circulation, which actually means you ghosted me, or in general, it's just like, I haven't heard from you, okay? Lui è svanito dalla circolazione. Same exact thing, okay? So, svanire, to fade away, but also sparire. Both of them. Number 3. Number 3 is sbigottire. Okay, promise. Sbigottire means to shock, okay? The way you would use this is mostly passive, okay? So mostly passive, that means io sono sbigottita, loro sono sbigottiti, okay? In terms of a verb, is again another isc verb. Io mi sbigottisco, I guess that would be reflexive. Io mi sbigottisco alla notizia. You know, if you have a shocking news, that would be io mi sbigottisco alla notizia. I was saying, you could definitely say shock, okay? The word shock exists in Italian. Likewise, you could say io sono scioccata, okay? I'm shocked. Io sono scioccata. Lui è scioccato. Noi siamo scioccati. You could definitely use that. A better word, because it does actually elevate your Italian, would be io sono sbigottita, loro sono sbigottiti. Okay, so use that in past participle. That works as an adjective, and there you have it. Sbigottire. Okay, that was our number 3. Let's go to our number 4. That's diffamare. Diffamare, to defame, okay? A regular verb in all sense and purposes. So tu mi diffami, here mi is more direct object. Loro la diffamano. Lei è stata diffamata. So passive, she was defamed. And diffamare is very used in legal contexts for sure, but also in just regular daily language to say that somebody is spreading rumors about you that you don't really like. Okay, so diffamare is our number 4. And for today, that's all. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and I hope you continue learning with me. And if you have, please go ahead. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out our next video. Ciao!